Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn our remaining lessons, that is Rohini's wisdom. So in the last class we have seen the story Rohini's and father and the greedy merchant. So there was a one rich merchant. He did not like the poor people. So one day he gave one talk, that is, who can able to stand in the river during the night. Okay, so they can get 1,000 golden pieces. Okay, so these stones the Rohini's father he came to know. They were living outside the city, the small hut. So he came to know and he decided himself, I can try whether I can able to do or not. Once I can try. And he decided to participate in the task. Okay, he thought that I did not have anything else to lose it. So once I can try whether if I won, that is good for me, otherwise no problem. So he decided to participate and he went to the merchant house and he said that time the merchant was love anything else, because how can you participate in the task? Are you mad? Can you able to win the? And the Rohini's father said, Dear merchant, I did not have anything to lose it. So I can try whether I can able to do or not. Then the merchant also accept that. Then the Rohini's father went to the river and he was standing in the river. And that day it was too cold. Okay, such a cold. We know that how it was in the during the winter season. Okay, so he was standing and the next day he ran away to the merchant house. That means the Rohini's father won the task. And he went to the merchant house and he asked the reward. And the merchant said, Are you cheat me? Okay, are you cheat me? How do you win the task? How it is possible? Okay, then Rohini's father gave him reply, that is, near the river nearby me when the lamp was lighting. So from that lamp I got power to stand in the water. That means nearby him one lamp was burning. So he took heat from that. That means the help of the lamp he have heat in his body, so he can able to stand in the water. So when the merchant come to know this, then he was told to the Rohini's father, that is, did you cheat me? So I did not give you the reward, because the merchant was greedy. Greedy means he wants more money. He did not want to share. He did not want to give that reward to the Rohini's father. Okay. So the Rohini's father, he was sad. Okay. So remaining story we will see in the class. When the poor man heard this, so when the poor man came to know, he did not want to give his reward. Okay, then he was very sad and returned to his little hut. So he was very sad because he was standing whole night in the water during the winter. Yes, my dear children, it is not possible now to stand in the river. So his daughter Rohini was waiting for him. So Rohini was waiting for her father. She was waiting in her house. When she heard how her father had been cheated by the greedy merchant, so when the Rohini's father reached the home, he told everything to the Rohini's what happened. So when she came to know how her father was cheated by the greedy merchant, then she decided, okay, let's see what she was decided. The next day she went to the merchant's house, okay, and invited him to lunch. So when she came to know her father was cheated by the greedy merchant, then she thought that she wanted to teach him something. So she went to his house, merchant house, and she called him to the lunch to the Rohini's house. So the merchant also accepted that, and he came that day lunch to the Rohini's house. She served him a simple meal. So merchant means she did not prepare any special for the merchant. She served as a normal food, that is rice, dal, okay, as a normal food she served. She did not make any special for the greedy merchant. After finishing his food, so that simple food also the greedy merchant had it. After finishing his lunch, the merchant asked some water to the Rohini. Okay, after finishing his food, the merchant asked Rohini for some water to drink. Okay, he asked some water to drink. Yes, no, it is normal. After finishing our meal, we feel to drink some water, no? So likewise, the greedy merchant also asked some water to drink. Then, so she pointed to a jug of water and said, so now the Rohini came to know that is her choice. See, Rohini was very clever. Rohini was very clever. So she knew that was her chance. So she knew that she come to know this is my chance to teach him a good lesson. Okay, so she get a chance now to teach a good lesson to the greedy merchant. So she pointed to jug of water. So she decided to teach him to the water, and she said, there is the water. Okay, there is the water. She kept a bowl of water on the table and she said, there is the water. By seeing it, by looking at it, you may drink it. Okay, you cannot touch the water, you cannot drink the water. By seeing it, you may have the water. Okay, see, in this picture, can we see? So this is a greedy merchant and she is a Rohini and her father. So she served a small meal, rice, dal and something. After finishing, he asked water. So now Rohini show the water. So water is on the table. She saw the water and she said, by seeing it, you may drink the water, you may have the water. So, yes, my dear children, the merchant was upset and said, so by seeing it, we cannot drink water, no, we cannot fulfill our thirsty. So now the greedy merchant was upset and he said to the Rohini, how do you expect me to get water by just looking at it? How do you expect me? It is not possible to me. How can you expect me to by seeing I can drink water? It is not possible to me. Okay, so now the Rohini was angry. She get angry and she gave a reply to the greedy merchant. How you cannot drink by seeing water? So likewise, it is not possible to stand in the river full night during the winter season. It is not possible. So how can you give that task to the poor people? See, in the same way, you expect a man standing in cold water to warm himself by just looking at a lamp. Yes, no? So how you cannot have a water by seeing it? Then how can you judge by looking at the lamp? How the man can get heat from his body? It is not also possible, no? So one lamp was burning there. By seeing it, I can get heat my body. So that is also not possible. So the Rohini said quickly. So when the merchant said like that, the Rohini also said quickly like that. So in the same way you expected a man standing in cold water to warm himself by just looking at a lamp, Rohini said quickly. The merchant realized how unfair he had been. So now the greedy merchant realized his mistake, how he made a mistake. He felt quite ashamed of himself. So he was quiet, he did not talk anything else, and he was ashamed himself. He doesn't want to look at himself. Okay? He knew the poor man deserved the reward. So the greedy merchant, he know that the poor man, he won the reward, he won the task. So he asked Rohini and her father to come to his house. So after he realized his mistake, okay, finally he called Rohini and her father to his house to give the reward. He gave them 1,000 pieces of gold. So they went to the greedy merchant house. Then he gave them 1,000 pieces of gold to the Rohini's and her father. They took the money home and lived in comfort. So the Rohini's and her father, they took that money and they lived comfort in their house. So in the beginning they were lived in the small hut. So now they have a good house and they have all the facilities in their house. They feel comfort now. Yes, my dear children, we should not decide, look at the people whether he can able to do or not. That is their talent, whether he can able to do or not. They can decide. And one more thing, we should not cheat anyone. We should not cheat anyone and we should not be greedy. Yes, my dear children, I hope you understand the lesson. Okay? Be safe and have a good day. Thank you.